Hey, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to Product Critique, your source for in-depth tech reviews. Today, we have something truly exceptional for all you Mac users out there: the Logitech MX Keys wireless illuminated keyboard. Let's dive straight into the details of this keyboard, designed to enhance your Mac experience. Right off the bat, this keyboard is optimized for Mac users. It's compatible with a wide range of Apple devices, including MacBook Pro, MacBook Air, iMac, and even iPads. Plus, it's elegantly finished in space gray to match your Mac's aesthetics. Now, what makes this keyboard truly unique is its Mac key layout. The keys are thoughtfully crafted for macOS and iPadOS, ensuring seamless compatibility. Whether you're typing on your Mac or iPad, you'll feel right at home. Comfort and precision are at the forefront of the MX Keys design. The keys are spherically dished to perfectly match the shape of your fingertips. This not only enhances comfort but also improves typing accuracy. One look at this keyboard, and you'll appreciate the aesthetic minimalism. It's a sleek and timeless addition to your Mac setup, offering both style and substance. Let's talk about the smart illumination feature. The backlit keys light up as your hands approach, and they automatically adjust to the surrounding lighting conditions. It's a small touch that adds to the overall user experience. Logitech has also worked on reducing key noise while optimizing feedback. This means you'll feel each keystroke without the distracting noise, perfect for quieter environments. One of the standout features is MX Flow. If you have a Flow-enabled mouse, like the MX Master 3 for Mac, you can seamlessly switch between multiple Mac computers and transfer text, images, and files between them. It's a game changer for productivity. Battery life is impressive too. With a full charge, the MX Keys can last up to 10 days. And if you turn off the backlighting, you can extend that to a whopping 5 months. When it's time to recharge, a handy LED indicator and Logitech Options software will keep you informed. In summary, the Logitech MX Keys wireless illuminated keyboard is the ultimate accessory for Mac users. It combines Mac compatibility, comfort, precision, and smart features into one elegant package. If you're ready to take your Mac experience to the next level with the MX Keys, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Product Critique for more tech reviews and recommendations. Thanks for joining us today, and until next time, may your tech be top-notch, and your productivity limitless.